Hi everyone, this is the second tapa of this series. So I invite you to subscribe to my channel for more delicious homemade recipes. This particular series of tapas is part of the Mediterranean diet that the Spaniards eat. This one is a fusion recipe of that Spanish tapa with a California twist. I am adding jalapeno and gherkins to liven up this tapa. And I am using anchovies, and there's a little secret to make them taste good, so stay. The entire tapa is gonna be balanced and flavorful. Before I forget, I want to say hi to all the new subscribers. What I've done so far is chop the jalapeno, and I'm gonna do the same with the gherkins. The quantities in this recipe are enough for about 8 tapas. You can double the amount if you want more. The canned anchovies are usually salted and come in olive oil. The secret for them to taste good is to put them in cold water for about half an hour to an hour and change the water 2 or 3 times in that period and taste them until they are to your taste. Now I am cutting some slices of that baguette and I'm going to toast them or fry them. Here the extra virgin olive oil is important for the flavor. You're using very few ingredients, but each ingredient is adding flavor to each bite, and combined everything tastes very good. I am making this the way the Spaniards make the toasts. I'm not using crackers because they won't taste the same. Toast both sides, then put them on paper towels to rid them of the excess olive oil and let them cool down. Now mix the whipped cream cheese with the jalapenos and the gherkins and put it back on the fridge until you're ready to assemble them. If not, the cheese is going to lose its fluffiness. As you notice, I didn't add any salt or pepper to the spread. The cheese has salt and the anchovies are gonna have a little salt as well. You want to taste the freshness of the cheese and the jalapenos, the sweetness of the gherkins, and the taste of the anchovies on a crunchy toast. It's pretty much a pretty perfect marriage. The anchovies are ready. Now I just have to assemble them, and I am making myself hungry again. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Remember, you can make a lot of these tapas or appetizers during the summer holidays. If you like the video so far, give it a thumbs up so other people can find it, and check out last week's tapa at the right of the screen. Let me know in the comments if you like the tapa or not, and what is your favorite tapa. Chaito.